Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I wanted to show you guys really quick how I got Zumi's eyebrows done today. I got them threaded professionally, and if you are wondering how to get the best result from your technician, I'm going to show you the best tip ever. Now, viewer discretion is advised in this video because you are about to see a teenager that does not want to be on camera and is throwing a hissy fit. So I'm just warning you guys, but this is the best way for you guys to get the perfect eyebrows if you get them threaded professionally. But before we get to that video, if you could hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos, let's go ahead and show you a grumpy teenager. She don't want to be recorded. She did.
Oh, that's not funny.
Zumi, say hi to everybody. Zumi. I'm showing Miss Karen. I want everything where the concealer is, but everything in the brown just left alone.
Okay.
Yeah, because last time we got them threaded, the high peak right here, they were off. One was like over here, and then one was far.
Okay.
So if you're wondering what exactly I did to our eyebrows, what I did is I took a stencil. I'll post some stencils down below so you guys can see the variety of stencils you can choose for. I took a stencil and I put on her eyebrows super dark. And then I took a concealer and all the hair that I didn't want around it, I just placed right on top of that. You know, a very light concealer. So there was no mistake on where I wanted the hair pulled. And that really just highlighted everything I told her to pull. And she only pulled within that concealer or that light area and left all the dark alone. So Zumi's face turns really red after threading, but that will go away. Look how perfect her eyebrows are. Zumi, look at me. Show your face a little bit. See how perfect the shape is because of that outline that we did. The redness will go down, but her eyebrows look fantastic. So this is Zumi about an hour later, how the redness has gone down a lot. And you can see that she isn't happy to be on camera, but her eyebrows do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.